Check out this Kia 2021 K5 LXS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1.6-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 180 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4WD type, automatic full-time, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, all-wheel drive and audio controls on steering wheel. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.